UFactory created XARM 3 years ago, and now introducing Lite 6. It comes with a 2-finger gripper and a vacuum gripper. The maximum speed is 500 millimeters per second. The robot is widely used in lightweight tasks, for example, lab automation and touchscreen testing. Delivering industrial-grade robots with extremely low cost is our goal. We did thousands of tests to improve the robots. Quality and stability are always the top priority. In most cases, safety and easy deployment really matter. Lite 6 has both. Equipped with industrial standard I/O, Lite 6 is completely compatible with devices, PLCs, etc. Easy and intuitive software is a must. UFactory Studio is free software for a better user experience. Control panel, recording mode, and Python programming are all available. Lite 6 is powered by an ARM-based high-performance CPU and communicates with each robot actuator 100 times every second, which also empowers multiple robots to work simultaneously. The robot is also research-friendly. It supports not only ROS1 or ROS2, but also Python and C++ APIs. Third-party devices are also available. The brand new Lite 6 is the most affordable robot we have ever created, and we believe that Lite 6 is not only a good choice for your business, but also a good automation assistant.